give it a shot.
Why don't I give it a shot?
Let's give it a shot.
Okay, yeah, I will. I'll give it a shot.
Look, could I give it a shot?
Sure, of course.
We might as well give it a shot. Let's go quickly. No, don't look back. They sense fear.
Deal. You promise you'll give it a shot?
You know I can't promise you that.
You think you can reach the ignition? Give it a shot.
My first drop, I popped a live round into my mouth. Keeps your teeth from chattering. Give it a shot. Hit me. Come on. Give it a shot. Come on.
But that's why we're here, to learn from the master.
Hey, I'll give it a shot.
I know they could be annoying and loud, constantly in the way, but I can't make them leave.
Want me to give it a shot?
The school regulations are pretty strict about me wrestling with the boys. But if you want to give it a shot, be my guest. Fine.
I'll tell you what. If neither of us is with anybody in 10 years, how about you and me give it a shot? That's disturbing. But maybe.
Want to get that in? Just give it a little push.
Really?
Yeah, we should give it a shot. Okay?
Okay.
Go ahead. Just push as hard as you can.
Yeah, okay.
Oh! Get out.
Well, I have to tell you that while I do have a theoretical understanding of the workings of an internal combustion engine, I'm not sure I'm capable of performing diagnostics.
I said get out.
Okay, we'll give it a shot.
It all starts with a little bit of, how shall I say, intimate contact.
Yeah. It tingles.
Every pleasure in the body can be stimulated through the ears. I would give it a shot with Jack tonight.